Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I made this amazing but delicious iron skillet lasagna. So stay tuned and I will show you how. Starting off, I am going to be adding about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to my skillet here. And I'm going to just cook this down a little bit. And then I'm going to be adding in some minced garlic. And then once that is translucent, I'm going to be adding in my ground beef. Now the ground beef, I honestly did not measure any of this, but it looks like about 2 pounds maybe. And I'm going to just season it with some salt and pepper. And then I'm just going to brown this. And once it has browned, I do like to get rid of all of that fat. And what I do is just use a paper towel to pick that up. And then I'm going to start adding in the pasta. Now the pasta is about 3 cups, which is actually 1 full jar. So just use your favorite pasta sauce. And I'm going to just cook this for about 3 minutes. And then I'm going to be adding in some oregano. And I'm also going to be adding in some basil and some thyme. And just measure with your heart because honestly, I didn't measure any of this. So just add as much or as little as you like. And then I'm just going to simmer this for about 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, this is done. So I'm going to set this aside. And then I'm going to get this pot and add some water. I'm going to add some salt and some olive oil. The olive oil is so that the noodles do not stick. And I'm just going to mix that together. And then once this comes to a boil, I'm going to be adding in 8, I think I added in 10 of the noodles. The lasagna noodles. And once they start cooking, they start shrinking down. So make sure that you push that all down like that so that it can all get cooked. So while that is cooking in this bowl, I'm going to be adding in 3/4 cup of ricotta cheese, 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1 egg, a lot of spinach, I think it's 2 cups, Parmesan cheese and mozzarella cheese, I think I did 1.5 cups. And then I'm going to season it with Italian seasoning and garlic powder. Now, by the way, this is the Parmesan cheese that I used. I just shredded it. It comes in a block. And then I'm just going to mix this together until it's well mixed. By the way, the noodles, you want to cook it according to the box instructions. And it's about 12 minutes. And once this is done and the noodles have cooked, I'm going to start cutting these noodles into little strips. And I already preheated my oven to 400 degrees. And in the same pan that you cooked that meat sauce with, You're going to use the same one. Now I'm going to be laying down some of that meat sauce. And then top it off with the noodles. Just like that. And then on top of that, I'm going to be adding some of that white mixture. And then I'm just going to repeat the process 2 more times. By the way, the skillet that I'm using, it's a 10-inch skillet. Just so you know, it does fit all these layers that I'm making. If you use a 12-inch skillet, I think you will only have enough for 2 layers. And that is it. That is all of the ingredients that went in there. And then to top this off, I'm going to be adding in a bunch of mozzarella cheese. This is the shredded. I prefer the shredded. I don't like the bagged ones. And then this is just going to go in the oven. Oh, I'm also going to just sprinkle some Italian seasoning on top. And then this is going to go into the oven, like I said, 400 degrees for about 30 minutes covered. And then you're going to want to uncover it and then leave it for another 10 minutes. And after that, it's done. Let it cool down before you cut into it. But it is so delicious. Serve it with breadsticks, salad, whatever you like. You will love this. And here I'm just cutting it to show you just how delicious it looks. Well, I hope you like this recipe. I hope that you make it. And if you do, leave a nice comment below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. And we will see you next time. Bye.